Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Blockpunk True Wireless BTW Pro Plus earphones announced in India. So we had covered the Blockpunk True Wireless BTW Pro few months back. Now we have the Pro Plus with new features being offered. It's one of the really good feature-rich true wireless earphones in this price segment, and we're going to talk about the features. We first going to unbox this Blockpunk True Wireless BTW Pro Plus earphones. It has support for Google, Siri Assistant and dual microphones, and it is powered by Qualcomm's aptX technologies. So we all know that Blockpunk is a German brand established years back, and it is a pioneer in audio equipment. We have seen Blockpunk earphones, speakers, car audio products. So there are lots of Blockpunk products in India as well. So this is their true wireless earphones announced in India. So this is a box package, very neat box package. Qualcomm aptX mentioned, and the side panel has the other details mentions: dual microphone, IPX7 waterproof, Google Siri Assistant support is there, Bluetooth version 5.0, and we have the Blockpunk mentioned as well, and the earphone pattern, or rather the design, is mentioned at the back. So that's the earphone. So let's open this first. So you can see that it looks really good. The packaging is pretty neat. Let's take this out, and you can see that these are the earphones. So let's just take the earphones out. So there you go. We'll just keep this aside for a minute. We'll talk about that later. So this is the box. You can see that box is slightly compact than the previous one, and we'll also talk about the box. So let's see what else comes inside the box package. So you get the charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable that could have been improved. We would have liked USB Type-C charging cable. That's something which we would like Blockpunk to improve. Now you get additional ear tips also. You also get these ear hooks. We'll talk about this again. These are very useful accessory, especially when you're jogging or workout. These are really good, and this prevents the TWS from falling from your ear. So that's another accessory available. Then you get this manual and warranty information. You can see here Blue Dot Perfection. Now this is the manual and other information available. So you can see here what all functionalities are available in this quick start guide. You can see power off, power on switch, and then remove to pair, first time pair, and you can see the controls. Double click for music control, playback and stop, and left is for click and hold is for previous track. Click and hold the right for the next track. Click for volume up and down. This is one important thing because many of the TWS earphones do not have touch controls for volume control. Here we have the touch option for volume controls, and you can see here cancelling the call. All those things are included here. So that's the manual. So first let's talk about the case. So you can see here Blockpunk the branding, and you can see the LED indicator. It's a glossy finish, and you have the micro USB charging port at the bottom. Now you can see that the build quality looks good. You can see that the magnetic operation is really good, and it does not open up randomly when you're the flipping. So that's a pretty strong build. Now what we felt about the case was it feels a bit too plasticky. We would have liked a matte finish, but nevertheless this is a glossy finishing. Now if you open, you can see the earphones. So let's just take this out. So there you go. Here again you can see that this is a glossy finish, and we have this Blockpunk logo here. We have the touch controls here, and the ear tips, and we have the charging port here. Now the ear tips are designed pretty well. You can see that it's slightly on the thicker side, the earphones, but once you wear it, it is not that big actually. It's a stem kind of earphones, and fits in pretty neatly. We have an LED indicator on either of the earphones, so you get to see whether it's working or connected from these notification LEDs available. So that's the TWS earphones. Now talking about the features, as I said before, this is coming with the Qualcomm aptX technology, and this has HD sound. That's something which is quite good. Now there is dual microphones for call quality, and it has support for ENC, that's environment noise cancellation technology. So there are dual microphones, one at the top and one at the bottom. bottom. So dual microphones allows in better noise reduction, especially for voice calls. It is very good, and we have tried voice calls with these earphones. They are really good in terms of call quality. Now it also has pretty good battery life as well. It in a single charge, the earbud works for around 6 to 7 hours. Even in our testing, we got close to around 6 hours, which is pretty good. And the 790 mAh charging case gives you a battery which is pretty good, almost like a week of usage you can use. That's what the company claims. Now the fitting of these earphones are pretty good. We have been using these for a few days now, and they are pretty comfortable even in longer period of usage. They are quite comfortable, and we did not see any sort of issues or pain in our ears. They are quite comfortable, even though they look a bit bulkier in terms of design. They fit pretty perfectly in our ears. So if you're a person who does a lot of workout or jogging or cycling or even treadmill usage, you can use these ear hooks. These are available inside the box, so you don't have to pay addition, and you can use these ear hooks and this will secure so that the TWS will not fall out of your ear. Even with regular usage, it does not fall out, but then if you want to secure it, this is the best option. These are pretty good ear hooks available in the box package. So that's something which company provides. It's an accessory which is provided in the box as well. Now these earphones also are IPX7 rated, which means they protect the earbuds against heavy splashes of rain. So even sweat protection is included. So sweat and waterproof protection is included. So even if you use in the rain or heavy sweating, it won't damage the earphones. Now there is also wireless charging included. If you have a wireless charger, you can charge the case with wireless charging functionality. We'll just show that wireless functionality. So right now we have a wireless charger with us, and we're gonna place it on the wireless charger. So right now it is being charged. So this is how you place it. If you place it flat, it won't charge. This is how you place it for charging these earphones. So this is another good feature about the TWS. So it has wireless charging. Now talking about the touch controls, we have touch controls on either of the TWS. So you can go for pick up or reject a call, go to the next track, previous track, volume control. Very few TWS have the volume control available. So that is something which is quite good on this device. For Google Siri Assistant also, you have this triple click on the right earbud to get the Siri or Google Assistant. So touch controls are really good on these earphones. So inside the box you also get memory foam ear gels. Pro Plus comes with a super soft, ultra comfortable memory foam ear gel, so you can replace with the standard silicone one with the memory foam one, which are more comfortable as well. So these are some of the special features. Now talking about the sound quality, we are quite impressed with how the Blaupunkt BTW Pro Plus performed. The bass performance is definitely good, and overall clarity, the sound output looks really good. It's well balanced earphones in terms of the sound quality, and definitely feels really nice. So if you're looking for a really good feature rich true wireless earphones, the Blaupunkt, the BTW Pro Plus is a really good option in this price segment, with wireless charging and additional accessories like the ear hooks and the super foam ear gels offered. Along with that, it also comes with IPX7 rating, and Qualcomm's aptX technology offers great sound quality. The call quality is also really good, HD, and there is also environmental noise cancellation option available. So it's a really feature rich and powerful Bluetooth TWS earphones, and these are priced 6,999 and available on Amazon. So we'll share the link in the description of this video. In case you plan to buy, you can go ahead and buy it from the link in the description. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off with hands-on with the Blaupunkt 2 wireless BTW Pro Plus earphones. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.